Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It decides who gets hired, who gets approved for a loan, who receives medical attention, and in some cases, who goes to prison. But here's the question we need to ask. Who controls these machines? Who programs their values? And who holds them accountable when they get it wrong? AI is powerful, but power without ethics is dangerous. In this video, we'll explore the ethical dilemmas of artificial intelligence. We'll look at real-world cases, the risks of bias and injustice, the concentration of power in tech companies, and what you can do to shape a more responsible future. Because the future of AI isn't just about technology, it's about values, and values come from people. Let's start with reality. In the United States, AI has been used in the criminal justice system to recommend prison sentences, but studies show these algorithms often reflect racial bias, punishing minorities more harshly based on flawed data. In China, facial recognition is used to track citizens in real time. Cameras scan faces in public spaces, linking identities to behavior, location, and even social credit scores. In hospitals, algorithms decide which patients get priority for treatment. But what happens when the data is incomplete, outdated, or biased against certain groups? In hiring, companies use AI to screen resumes and conduct video interviews, but some systems reject candidates based on zip codes, accents, or facial expressions without human review. These aren't isolated incidents. They're signs of a deeper issue. When we give machines the power to decide, we also transfer our biases, blind spots, and assumptions into code. And unlike humans, machines don't question their decisions. They execute them instantly, at scale, and without empathy. That's why ethics in AI isn't optional. It's let's go deeper. Can a machine understand fairness? Can it recognize cultural nuance, emotional trauma, or historical injustice? AI learns from data, and data reflects the world we live in. If our world is biased, our machines will be too. For example, facial recognition systems have higher error rates for darker skin tones. Hiring algorithms may favor men over women if trained on biased resumes. These systems don't mean to discriminate, but they do. And when they do, who's responsible? The programmer, the company, the user. These are questions we must answer before AI becomes too embedded to challenge. Another dilemma: transparency. Many AI systems are black boxes. Even their creators don't fully understand how they reach conclusions. If you're denied a loan, rejected from a job, or flagged by a surveillance system, can you appeal? Can you see the logic behind the decision? Without transparency, there's no accountability. And without accountability, there is no justice. Let's talk about power. Right now, a handful of tech companies control most of the world's AI systems. They decide how algorithms behave, what data they use, and who gets access. These companies operate globally, but they're not elected, regulated, or publicly accountable. Governments are trying to catch up. In Europe, the AI Act is being drafted to set ethical standards. In Brazil, debates around digital rights and algorithmic transparency are gaining momentum, but globally, There's no unified framework. Should AI be open? Should citizens have a say in how machines make decisions? Should algorithms be treated like public infrastructure, transparent, regulated, and accountable? These aren't just technical debates. They're questions about democracy, human rights, and the future of civilization. Because if we don't shape AI, it will shape us, and not always in ways we expect. You don't need to be a programmer to shape the future of AI. You just need to care and act. First, educate yourself. Learn how AI works, what it can and can't do, and where it's being used. Second, ask questions. When you use an AI tool, ask, who built this? What data does it use? Is it fair? Third, support ethical tech. Choose platforms that value transparency, privacy, and inclusion. Fourth, speak up. If you see bias, exclusion, or injustice, say something, share it, challenge it. Fifth, vote and advocate. Push for laws that protect digital rights, regulate algorithms, and ensure accountability. And finally, educate others. Talk to your friends, family, and community. Because the more people understand AI, the more power we have to shape it. The future of AI isn't just about machines, it's about values, and values come from people like you. AI is powerful, but power without ethics is dangerous. We must shape AI before it shapes us. That means asking hard questions, demanding transparency, and building systems that reflect our best values, not our worst biases. The future of AI isn't just technical, it's moral, and it's up to us, not just engineers and CEOs, but everyday people, to decide what kind of world we want to live in. So I ask you, what kind of future do you want? One where machines serve humanity, or one where humanity serves machines? If this video made you think, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let's build a future where technology empowers us, not replaces us.